What's up guys, welcome back to Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to install a Truecaller app on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up the Play Store, and at the bottom use the search and just simple type in Truecaller in one word, right? Go ahead and hit search and you should find the Truecaller phone app there, which is this one right here. So go ahead and hit the install and you'll be able to quickly download and install this app on your phone within a matter of minutes. As you can see, in less than a couple of seconds it is finished downloaded and it is now installing on my phone. Now the entire process is very short, and as you can see it's finished installed. Now with that you can go ahead and either open the app here from within the Play Store, or you can just simple swipe up and find the Truecaller app here and open that on your phone. Now, once you open up the app, you can select your language, you can order, you can even go ahead and leave it as is, click get started, and you can choose now which one of those you want to use as your default caller ID, right? So here you can just say none, or you can just select the Truecaller app right here and basically set it as default. It's really up to you. For now I'm gonna just go ahead and stick with this one as my default one for now and click and continue. Click and allow right there, right? You want to allow all of these notifications so that it actually works, right? Again, from here you can choose which one is the current default. You can choose Truecaller, or you can choose whatever and go ahead and proceed. Now as you can see here right here guys, it is practically done. It's gonna go ahead and quickly load, and from here you want to go ahead and click that you want to continue with your Google account. I'm going to select my Google account right there, and as you can see it's going to quickly sign me in and verify my phone number. You can see the process is going on right there. Verification is done, and here you can see it says show me relevant ads. You can say no. You can just basically select no for these options right here, right? So it's really up to you. Then go ahead and click and continue, and right here you can even choose if you want to go to the settings, or you can just say maybe later, right? So I'm just showing you quickly how to get this set up. Here's going to show you about some of this. You can just click the X in the upper right hand side, click and consent right there, and here it is. This is the Truecaller app guys. You can see that it's actually showing the numbers, is showing my contacts there. You can scroll through and you can see various persons, right? You have the messages section here. You can check messages as well. You can see blocking as well. You can of course go to the premium section as well. But there's it. Now I want to show you something even cool. So let's say you want to use it as your default app and you set it as default. You can go ahead and you can click and hold, and you can just drag it to the bottom of your phone. If you make a space somewhere here, if you remove one of those icons, you can actually put it down here at the bottom of your phone. This is super easy to do. If you delete one of those apps, which I'm going to show you how. So let's say I want to remove the WhatsApp, right? I can click the WhatsApp down here and just simple click and remove, and it's going to remove it from the space. Then I can press and hold the Truecaller app and drag it into the space, and as you can see I can add it there. So you can do it for whatever. If you want to do this app here, which is the color app, you can remove it as well. So it's really up to you. But that's how you actually do it guys. Very easy and very simple. At any point in time you need it, you open it and you can use the Truecaller app to basically make calls on your phone, and that's it.